Hello, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I'm the owner of the trustisyou.com in a podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. Now, the Spendthrift Trust is legal, copywritten, and also in the IRS Tax Code 643B. I want to teach as many U.S. business owners, 1099 income earners, and also investors, because so few people have ever heard of the Spendthrift Trust. Just so you know, there are over 1 million attorneys in the United States. Only 4% of the attorneys are trust attorneys. The other attorneys only have a few hours of trust law, and that's why 97% of all trusts sold in the United States each year are what my mom and dad had and what Susie Orman talks about on television. That is the family trust. The only thing the family trust does is avoid going through probate, and then it dissolves and goes away. This is not your mom and dad's trust. The Spendthrift Trust, the full name, is Irrevocable, Complex, Discretionary, Non-Grantor Spendthrift Trust, is exactly what the Barron families have put into place back when the tax code was first established in February of 1913. The Rockefellers, the DuPonts, the Carnegies, and the Kennedys. This is what the rich people use to save taxes. I found out about the Spendthrift Trust because I got in trouble with capital gains back in 2019. I found a law firm that has a 72-year-old copyright on the Benson Financial Trust. In 72 years, not a single trust has ever been audited. One trust was examined 7 years ago by a senior IRS agent and was approved. But this trust can save you thousands and thousands of dollars every year in every generation. Now, the business trust is for U.S. business owners and 1099 income earners. You will save at least 90% on your federal income taxes. And if you're in a state that has state income taxes and get everything into the trust, you can save state income taxes too, because the Spendthrift Trust is on the federal level, not the state level. Federal rules when it comes to taxes. The Beneficial Trust is for all U.S. investors. If you're a U.S. investor, there are 5 ways this trust is going to save you money. Number 1, capital gains, short-term and long-term on your profits. Number 2, interest income. If you're a passive investor doing subject to investing, if you have a creative financing, seller financing, or a forex investor. Number 3, dividend income. If you're in the stock market, a day trader, a futures trader, a commodities trader, options trader. Number 5, rental income. If you have short-term rental like Airbnb, vacation rentals, or traveling nurses, or if you have 5 doors, 20 doors, multifamily, apartment investing, or commercial investing. And royalties. If you have, if you're an author, a songwriter, an actor, an actress, have intellectual property, patent, or the copyright like I have on this trust. Today, I want to talk about dividends. Most people invest in the stock market through their 401k and then also on their own. One of my clients inherited his father's stock portfolio, 100 shares of the top 100 companies. Fantastic portfolio. Every quarter, he gets paid quite a bit of money, and he was going on a beautiful vacation. When he got his tax bill for 2021, he was in shock. He was a coach, so his tax bill for being a coach, 1099 income, plus his dividends made him go up to 35% tax bill. He and I know each other from being in a Rainmaker with, I just forgot his name. Woo, I just forgot his name. And Rainmaker, and he contacted me. What we were able to do is take the stock certificates, change the name on the stock certificates to the Spendthrift Trust. Yes, his financial advisor had to get involved with us, change it to the Spendthrift Trust, and then he paid for the trust when he got his 3rd quarter dividends. He is now able to save over $56,000 a year. That's 4 quarters put together. That's a lot of money. Now, just recently in the news, Costco gave an extra $15 dividend to anyone who has Costco taxes. Again, that dividend income is going to be taxed between 10% to 37%, 7 different tax brackets, depending on what your tax bracket is. People love Costco. There's many different ways to invest. One of my fastest group of people who I'm working with are people who are either options traders or day traders, because they're making profits and that they can save so much money doing this. Again, the Spendthrift Trust is legal, copyrighted in the IRS Tax Code 643B. It's going to save you in 4 extremely important ways. It's going to save you federal taxes. It's going to keep your information private. It's going to, I can't stop you from being sued, but if the old adage from Nelson Rockefeller, own nothing, control everything, everything's going to be in the trust and you'll be worth nothing. You can't get blood from a stone. So lawsuits become frivolous. And then number 4, you will not have to do the 2024 Corporate Transparency Act from the Treasury Department that is dealing with money laundering. I don't know if you know about that, but please email me if you would like some information. My email is info@thetrustisyou.com. I am inviting you to set up a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me. That's www.thetrustisyou.com/scheduling. If I can help you save U.S. business owners and 1099 income earners save federal income taxes and state income taxes, or if you're an investor, if you can save capital gains, interest income, dividend income, rental income, and royalties. Again, the Spendthrift Trust is there to help people save money. I have case law to share with you. I have articles to share with you. I want to help as many U.S. business owners, 1099 income earners, and investors save as much money as possible. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.